Hello everybody, and today I am going to tell you about a very interesting formula, and it is known to each and every student. In case of logarithmic, you are using log x to the base e, and that e, what is the value of e, and who has discovered that e, and how to express that e in an infinite series, and what is the formula and how to derive it. Okay, so e was discovered by Euler. It was discovered by Euler, and he introduced that constant e in his calculus. Okay, and according to Euler, e is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by factorial 2 plus 1 by factorial 3 plus 1 by factorial 4 and so on. And this is an infinite series. This is an infinite series. Okay, and this sum of this equal to e. Clear? So now we have to prove, actually what we have to prove. Now I am going to prove that limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the power n is equal to e. I have to prove this one. Limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the power n is equal to e. So how to prove this one? See here. If n is a natural number, then 1 by n will be obviously, and n is a natural number and n is greater than 1. That means n is a natural number which is greater than 1. So therefore 1 by n will be automatically less than 1. This 1 by n will be less than 1. And if 1 by n is less than 1, then you can use binomial theorem. 1 plus x to the power n, that mod x should be less than 1. There is a condition for binomial theorem, strictly. You should take the value of x less than 1. Then only you can apply the binomial theorem. Clear? So, since if we take n as the natural number and greater than 1, then 1 by n should be less than 1. So, in this case, you can use the binomial theorem. So, 1 plus 1 by n to the power n. Simply apply the binomial theorem. I am writing from here. 1 plus 1 by n to the power n can be written as 1 plus nc1, that is n, into 1 by n, then plus nc2, n into n minus 1 by factorial 2 into 1 by n square. Clear? Simply I am applying the binomial theorem, nothing else. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by factorial 3 into 1 by n cube plus so on. This is nc1, this is nc2, this is nc3. That means 1 plus x to the power n. Simply you are writing 1 plus nc1x plus nc2x square plus nc3x cube and so on. Is that clear to you? nc1 is n, nc2 is n into n minus 1 by factorial 2, nc3 is n into n minus 1 n minus 2 divided by factorial 3 and so on. Okay, so see here. It will become 1 plus n cancel out, it will become 1 plus, so I am writing like this, n into n minus 1 divided n square is there, so divide here n and here n, so n cancel out, here n by n it is 1 minus 1 by n, like this I can write. Is that clear to you? So into 1 by factorial 2. Again I am writing 1 by factorial 2 and this one become 1 plus 1 by n. Okay. So now see here. How to write this one? Plus 1 by factorial 3. And this one n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by n cube. That means I am writing dividing n here, n here, n here. I can write like this. So n by n it is 1. And how to write this one? N by n it is 1 minus 1 by n. Then in this one n by n it is 1 minus 2 by n. And so on. Clear? So now this is 1 plus 1 by n to the power n. Clear? So now, what is the limit of this one? If we take n tends to infinity, take limit n tends to infinity on both the sides. Limit n tends to infinity. Clear? Or again I am writing that line. Why will be confusion? There will be confusion for you. Limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the power n is equal limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 plus 1 by factorial 2 into 1 plus, it will be 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 by factorial 3 1 minus 1 by n into 1 minus 2 by n and so on. So this one write this one as it is and take the limit n tends to 1 by n, that means 1 by infinity is 0, so it become 1 plus 1 plus 1 by factorial 2 and this one is 0, that means this is simply 1, then plus 1 by factorial 3, this is 0, so 1 into 1 is 1 and so on. And this 1 can be written as 1 by 1 factorial. I can write like this. And what is this? This is nothing but E. I have already told you. So limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the power n is equal to E. So this is the formula for E. Is that clear to you? So limit n tends to 1 plus 1 by n to the power n is equal to E. Okay, so I hope you should like the proof of this one, and obviously maximum students do not know the proof. So, but if you know the proof, it will be very interesting for you. And in my next class, I will tell you about the exponential series. Okay, so I proved that the value of E lies between 2 and 3, and then different forms, and then I will do the problems. Okay, so thank you for watching my class, and if you are enjoying my class, then please share the video with other students. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.